This is 4-4. You're going to apply the ideas of parallel and perpendicular lines to solve a real life problem. Number 11. There are two authors here who are writing new books to be released. John, page written per month is graphed with the solid line. Likewise, Eric's is also graphed but with a dashed line. You're going to answer the following questions. Who wrote the most at the fourth month? The fourth month here, it is looking at the x value of equals to 4. So let's go to the fourth month, which is located right here. We go up here. So this is 4 comma 80. And then we have here, which looks higher. This looks like around 110. So 4 and 110. So the 110 is higher, and that is Eric. So we can say that it is Eric at 110 pages at the fourth month. Okay, let's just add that at the fourth month, because that might make more sense as a complete sentence. Eric wrote the most Eric with 110 pages with an S at the fourth month. What does the 0.270 represent in the context of the problem? So this is the x value, this is the y value. So we can say at the 2 month, there is 70 pages written. And this looks like it belongs to who? That belongs to Eric. So Eric at 2 months wrote 70 pages. That's what the 2 comma 70 represents. So next we want to take a look at John. At what page did John write 400 pages? So this is y equals to 400, and they're looking for a month, which is your x value. And John, it is the solid line. So let's take a look at the solid line. The solid line here, where is that equals to 400? That is very difficult to figure out, because the number here only goes up to 100. However, we can take a look at the graph. So notice at the graph, at the 5th month for John, 5th month, he wrote how many pages here? 100. Okay, pages. So at 400 pages, we multiply everything by 4. So 5 times 4, it is 20. Okay, so we did a proportion here. So at the 20th month would be the answer. At the 20th month, John has written 400 pages. Now you're going to write an equation for John and Eric's novel. So to write the equation, you need both the slope and the y-intercept. Okay? Here we can see that John, which is the solid line, the y-intercept for John is b equals to 0. So we can just write for John there. And his slope, it looks like he's going up by 20, across by 1. So John, m is equal to 20 over 1, and his y value, his y-intercept is 0. So John's equation is y equals to 20x plus 0. Eric looks like he started at b equals to 30. That's his y-intercept. And he also went up by how many pages? Let's see. 0, 10, 20. Here, so 30, 10, 20. So he also went to 20. Okay, because they look like they have parallel slopes. So y is equal to 20x plus 30. Okay, explain who will finish 100 pages first. So we take a look at this page already. It looks like at 100 pages, it looks like the dashed line, which is Eric, will write it first. So we can say here, I'm just going to type it. Eric will finish writing 100 pages first, because both authors write at the same rate with a slope of 20 pages per month. However, Eric had a higher starting value of B is equal to 30. And that is the reason why Eric will write 100 pages first, because he had a larger head start.